Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be discussing how a car dealership can benefit from Odoo, specifically how a car dealership can benefit from the calendar application. So let's get started by going to the calendar application. So we all are familiar with a situation where we get our dates confused. We get our times confused and we probably don't know when somebody's going to be available, so we just assume and we book them and no, we don't know what's going to happen. So, for example, in this case, in the calendar application, something which is a very interesting feature is that you can see and have access to everybody's calendar, all of the employees' calendar. So, for example, let's say that on Friday at 7, we are going to have be receiving 3 cars. 3 cars coming in. So, we're going to hit edit. And here we're going to be able to select the starting time, the ending time, or just the duration, any reminders that we're going to need, maybe a notification before, an email 3 hours before, just to remind us where it's going to be. If it's a video call, if it's a meeting, we can add the URL, any tags here. We can add, this is going to be something that's going to be an all-day thing. So let's say your employee is going to be out. So we can create a employee is out. And this is going to be an all-day thing, who the organizer is, and the description. As well as, email or SMS. What would you like this? Where would you like to send this? And very cool, you get to add here who else is going to be participating from it, or if they're going to be participating and not you. So let's go ahead and save and close this. I know this says 2 hours. And there we go. And as you can see, it's color coordinated as well. So here's a purple for Bob. All right, so let's give another example. Let's say that on Friday as well, one of our employees is actually going to be out. So let's say we're going to say Cody is going to be out on Friday. Cody leave. We're going to create this. We're going to hit edit once again. We're going to add Cody to this. And we're going to say it's an all-day thing. So this way, nobody's going to be booking Cody throughout the day. Because this is, as you can see here, it shows an all-day thing. So now that we have Cody's leave here, and we also have the 3 cars coming in, we have another interesting features. You can see here, like I mentioned before, they're color coordinated. We can see everybody's calendar. But let's say the calendar, not like right now, gets super packed because everybody has many things to do. How can I fix this? How can I just see one person's? Well, all you have to do is go ahead and only select the person you would like to see. So let's say we want to look at my calendar. For now, my calendar is completely empty. But let's say we want to look at Bob's calendar. He has one activity going on Friday. And that, my friends, is how a car dealership can benefit from Odoo. This is a very useful tool. That way nobody gets confused on test drives. This is a very useful app, and please follow us and make sure you take a look at the rest of our tips and tricks on how Odoo can be helpful for a car dealership. Bye!